when you drive the Mini Electric, it feels like Mini was destined for 60 years to become fully electric, a true electric go-kart. For Mini, it's the next level. It's competing the range of combustion engines, plug-in hybrids, now with fully electric vehicles. With that, we deliver a solution for an urban environment, for an urban target group that is the base for the Mini brand. For us, the Mini Electric was always meant to be more than a car, to be part of an electric ecosystem. And that's why we have a lot of offers in the 360-degree electric ecosystem that make it more than a car. For example, we have peer-to-peer car sharing, the possibility to share this vehicle with friends and family. And with that, we also pay into the community aspect of the brand.
New and special about our Mini Electric is the electric drivetrain that matches perfectly to that iconic concept. Therefore, we were able to focus on details like the grille. So we do have still the hexagonal shape, but due to the fact that there is not a combustion engine behind, we need much less air. So a perfect design element for us. So it's almost closed and just one horizontal bar as an air intake. Another detail that is really important to us is the wheel. So entirely new design that is, from a technological point of view, much more modern than normal wheels. So we do have inserts that improve the aerodynamics of the car a lot.
Mini and electric go hand in hand. So Mini is urban, electrification offers a fast way to improve air quality in cities, and above all, the Mini Electric is fun to drive. It's quick, it offers that go-kart feeling that you expect from a Mini, and that's great. Well, the Mini Electric is an important milestone for the BMW Group electrification strategy. BMW Group is a pioneer when it comes to electrification. It started in 2013 with the launch of the BMW i3. In 2018, we were the market leader in Europe when it comes to electrified vehicles, not just in the premium segment, all over. And that's a proof of our strong and consistent electrification strategy. In 2019, we offer, for example, plug-in hybrids across the entire range, from the 2 Series all the way up to our flagship 7 Series. Of course, we have the i3, we have the i8, and now also the Mini Electric, so that urban go-kart feeling, fully electric. BMW Group is a leader when it comes to electrification. In 2018, we were the market leader in Europe with electrified vehicles, so that's a combination of fully electric and plug-in hybrids, and we are accelerating our electrification strategy. So we will offer 25 electrified vehicles in 2023 already, and it is 2 years earlier than originally planned.